I'm watching the hurricane. What's up, guys? How's it going? How's everybody doing today? So I am actually playing with the drone today, doing some riding footage. So we're gonna make a little motovlog today about this. Dude, this is a jump. Anyway, I tried to put it up right there and film this video, this road right here, and me doing some wheelies back and forth and such, but for some reason it's really busy at 1 in the afternoon on this back road. So anyway, I know where some big open parking lots are, so I'm gonna head that way and we'll see about putting this thing up and try to get some good footage for you guys. I got some awesome footage the other day of me and a couple of buddies riding the Odyssey and a couple of three-wheelers. Nothing too spectacular, but definitely worthwhile. So we're going to use that and hopefully make a little video. Anyway, so we're on our way now to a parking lot. I'll put the drone up. Hopefully we get left alone, nobody messes with us. Decently good at flying it already. Having fun with it, that's why I bought it. Not really to be any, you know, big time photographer or some crap like that. I just wanted a little thing to kind of make some more interesting content for you guys. So I got the drone loaded back up here in my bag. It does pretty well in wind. I've flown it in a little bit more wind than we got going today, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it easy just because, again, it's a brand new drone. I've flown it maybe 5 times, so we're just gonna take it easy on that, make sure we don't get it destroyed or nothing, and yeah. So alright guys, so I will check back in with you when we get to the lot. Alright boys, we found us a truckload of Toyotas, nice looking Tundras and Tacomas. I've always loved some Toyotas. Alright, well, we got us an open lot here at Cabela's. Thank you, Cabela's. And I think we're going to set up in that front corner, but I'm just going to kind of look around. We got a nice open field here, too, to fly it over and check stuff out. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bike over here, and we're going to launch this bad bitch up and get some fucking shots for y'all. Beautiful. Alright, drone's ready. Let's get the phone. I'm just going to control it from my phone because I'm not flying far. So we launched the app. It's already connected. So we're going to go ahead and... Alright, she's on. She's going to get calibrated. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take off. Slide. Now it should hover pretty steadily, but we are going to actually take it back here. Now we're going to back it into a spot. Raise it up a tad. Turn it. Okay, so we got a nice shot of the parking lot. So I'm going to set this on here. Start to record. Then I can kind of just roughly keep an eye on that to make sure it's not going haywire. And it looks like my best view of range is going to be the second row. Here I should come into the shot. There I am. There's the drone. Let's have some fun. Okay, let's lower it down and let's do some closer shots. Bring it down. Alright, so... Okay, beautiful. Decent, decent, decent. Decent. Okay. Now. Got some cool shots. Okay, let's go forward. Let's angle it. Okay. Let's try it there. So it can film pretty decent. That was a good one, sort of. Not really, but... Good deal. Alright, so we're gonna practice with this auto active track. Maybe. Actually, now let's get some cinematic shots. Don't hit me, drone. Yeah, we still got 50% of battery. Okay, let's turn this beast off. That looks sweet. Alright, let's set this out a shot. Yeah. Badass. Alright guys, so we just flew the beast and we got some decent shots, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and box this bad boy up. She's off. Go ahead and end this. Looks like my ship blew away, but that's okay. Decent. Okay. Take and put this back away. Put these in. Fold the wings all together. Put this back in the backpack for safekeeping. Throw the backpack on. I did a burnout right on that white line. Alright guys, so that was that. Don't want to get the video too crazy long, but we're going to go ahead and roll on back home. Oh, what I did want to talk about is there's a black spot on the camera. I apologize. Somehow a piece of fuzz or lint or something got inside of the lens, so I got to take the camera apart to get to that. But look at that black mark. Did decent. Alright, we got the drone, got the phone. Don't think we dropped anything. I had the SD card and the extra wings. So we're going to go ahead and send it on down the road. Let's do a wheelie. Decent. It's a beautiful day out here, guys. Hope you enjoyed those little cinematic shots. I'm still loving this drone. Like I said, be expecting to see a lot of that beast, because I genuinely love that. We're getting a phone call. It's probably Joe's. Let's see. Hello? 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 Didn't hear anybody. Alright, well, yeah, that was that. So, we're gonna carry on our way. We got some awesome footage for the Motovlog. Yeah, it's a little windy. I was nervous going up as high as I did, but hey, it did just fine. So I guess we know the limits of the drone now. If I had some knobbies, I would totally be off-roading this Grom. Da-na-na-na-na, lane switch. No hands on the bar, we come. Why is there rust on here? I don't know, but it's pissing me. It's pissing me. Yeah. Boop. I wonder what's on out that way. I'd be interested to find out. That's for another day, though. Don't want to get this one too long.